Good afternoon. We've had some sunshine throughout the day. We'll likely see more rainfall develop tonight, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. And we're also going to talk about that chance for maybe a little bit of a wintry mix that we might see Monday, but we'll talk about that too. So again, we have some clouds, some sunshine moving across our area. This is the past hour on our tower cam. Beautiful sky. We had a couple of sprinkles and showers earlier today. I believe we'll see more rainfall return to our area as we go into our evening ahead. And overnight especially, we'll see some heavy rainfall. But what we've been seeing lately, though, is just a lot of wind that's been out of that southwesterly direction across our area. Not seeing anything that's too extreme, but we have that southwesterly flow. That's going to stick with us. Now, that's helping to boost our temperatures a bit. As we look to our north, you're seeing a little bit of rainfall across the eastern shore, middle peninsula, and also the northern neck. That'll likely continue into the afternoon. We're seeing just a little bit of sprinkles and light showers that are starting to develop, but not a lot. It's not very heavy. We still have dry conditions down to our south. This whole area here is all dry right now. There's some humidity in the air, but it's still dry. We don't have the rain or thunderstorms developing yet. We could see some thunderstorms developing later on tonight. Here's a look at our severe risk. The Storm Prediction Center does have some of the Hampton Road cities in a level 1, that's at zone of green. The spot that I'm watching more closely, though, is this area here across eastern North Carolina, where we have that level 2 chance to see stronger storms. Basically, we have a few more ingredients to see some thunderstorms develop. Now, for tonight, we're looking at very wet weather across the area, but also a lot of wind that we could see from the thunderstorms. That's kind of the big takeaway that I see from the strong thunderstorm potential tonight. Strong wind gusts. Maybe some storms that get stronger that could produce a tornado. That's a possibility, so we'll have to watch for that as well. But right now, it's a heavy rain and the wind. Here's a look at our future track for this evening. The rain starts to develop here in the next couple of hours. So around sunset, we'll have scattered showers popping up really across the Hampton Road cities and into North Carolina. This is just scattered showers. This is not thunderstorms, so we're okay from that. Now, as we go past 9 o'clock and towards midnight and 1 a.m., notice how there's an area and a few areas that are a little bit brighter, these kind of orange pockets and red pockets that we see. We could see some thunderstorms in this area, especially into North Carolina. Now, the red pockets that we have into Virginia for the eastern shore and also for the middle peninsula and peninsula Southside cities, that's just going to be heavy rainfall. But the stuff that we have into North Carolina, again, this is the zone where we could probably see some stronger storms develop into the overnight hours. That's at 1 a.m. Now, past then, at 3 a.m., that rain starts to move out. It starts to push to the north and to the northeast. So that rain gets out of here. What comes in behind it is cooler, dry air. So this is drier air wrapping into the storm system. However, we're not done with the rain quite yet at 4 a.m. There's still some rain that's going to move through, and that's probably going to push through into this direction. So we'll have another little chance for some rain between 4 a.m. through about 6 a.m. or so. By 7 a.m., it's gone. And look what we have left. Sunshine. It'll be windy tomorrow, but we'll have a lot of sunshine for your Saturday ahead and temperatures that will be dropping into the 40s by the afternoon. We're going to get about an inch or two of rainfall. The rainfall amounts don't seem to be too high. We will get higher amounts if we have thunderstorms, but I don't expect a lot of rain. But after the storm system moves out, colder air settles in. So we're going to see highs in the 40s for a couple of days. So the cold air pool is going to be sitting all across our area and up to the north. So this whole zone is going to have cooler than normal temperatures. And at nighttime, we're going to see lows in the 30s. So the atmosphere above us is even colder than that. And it will be cold enough to support frozen precipitation. Maybe a little bit of rain, snow mixture. Now, this is where we are Monday at 2:30. Remember, at this point, the area of low pressure is kind of sort of right around here, and you can see how the arrow flows around that. So we would have wind going in this general direction, coming in out of the east to northeast. So that's going to keep us too warm to see any type of frozen precipitation, and we're going to have to remember that too. Whenever we have chances for early season snowfall events, unless we have a really strong pool of cold air or a stronger storm system where we get a wind out of the north, it's hard to overcome the warmer waters. But again, the model tries to bring in a little bit of a mixture for those inland locations. So there may be a few wet snowflakes that mix in. There could actually be accumulating snow in central Virginia in this zone here. They could actually get accumulating snow. For the Hampton Road cities, probably not, but we probably will have a chance to see maybe a few wet snowflakes. But again, this is late Monday night and going into Tuesday morning, very late at night. So when we have the coldest temperatures is when we could see that. So that's what it looks like right now, but there will be changes with that because remember, this is storm system number 2. The first one is coming through tonight. Once that moves through, the models have a much better idea on what's going to happen Monday and into Tuesday. Right now, they're predicting something that could be happening tonight, and then they're also trying to figure out what happens after that. And there's going to be errors on that second model big time. That always happens. So this may be a little too exciting to see. We may not have anything. May not even be a storm system at all. But it's kind of exciting, and it's December, and snow is always fun. Anyway, enjoy the rest of your Friday. I'll keep an eye on the forecast. I'll be in at 4 o'clock today, 5 o'clock today with updates on the chances for storms tonight. Also show you that 7-day, and we'll talk about this Monday, Tuesday thing as well. Have a good evening and a good weekend. I'll see you later.